Hi, this is Velsreeya from Emmanuel Arasar College of Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss about what is drying. Introduction to drying. Drying is a process used to remove moisture from material. This helps to improve the stability, shelf life, and flow property of pharmaceutical product. Drying is essential for preparing granules, powders, extract, and many heat-sensitive material. Now let us move on to one of the most commonly used dryer, the fluidized bed dryer. The fluidized bed dryer is also known as FBD, is widely used in the pharmaceutical industry because it dries material quickly and uniformly. It works on the principle of fluidization, where hot air lifts the solid particles and make them behave like a boiling fluid. This ensures that every particle remove equal exposure to heat. Before seeing how it's worked, let us look at the different parts of uh, fluidized bed dryer. The major part of FBD include the air inlet with filter, a heater to warm the air, an air distributor plate, a product container or bowl, a blower to circulate air, and an exhaust system like a cyclone separator or a bag filter. All these components work together to ensure efficient drying. Now let us understand the step-by-step process of FBD. First, fresh air enters the system and passes through filter and a heater. The heated air then flow upward through the perforated base of the product container. As the hot air passes through the material, the particles get lifted and become fluidized. This content movement allow rapid and uniform drying. Finally, the moist air is removed through the exhaust system and the dried product is collected. Next, let us look at the advantage and disadvantage of using FBD. The fluidized bed dryer has many advantages. It dries materials very quickly, provide uniform moisture removal, and is easy to load, upload, and clean. However, it is not suitable for sensitive drugs. Fine powders may get blow away, and the equipment cost is high. Now we will learn about a special drying method used for sensitive pharmaceutical product such as freeze drying. The freeze drying, also known as lyophilization, is used for thermolabile and moisture sensitive drug. It removes water by a process called sublimation, where ice directly convert into vapor without becoming liquid. This method is ideal for vaccine, enzyme, hormones, and antibiotic injection. Now let us understand the principle behind the freeze drying. The freeze drying works on the principle of sublimation under high vacuum. First, the product is frozen and then the pressure is reduced. A small amount of heat is applied so that ice vaporizes directly. This protects the structure and the activity of delicate biological material. Let us now look at the complete freeze drying process step by step. The first stage is freezing, where the product is cooled to very low temperature, usually between -40 to -60 degrees Celsius. Next comes primary drying, where vacuum is applied and most of the ice sublimates. This step removes almost 90% of the moisturizer. Finally, in secondary drying, bound moisture is removed by gently increasing the temperature. The final product became extremely stable with less than 1% moisture. Now let us look at the lesson with quick summary.